The answers to the questions that are posed by our fans are my personal opinions on things. They do not create a relationship between you and me individually, nor do they create a relationship with Scroggins Law Group. The next question we get is, what are the requirements for alimony in Texas? Well, in Texas, there's no such thing as alimony. There is what's called spousal maintenance. A little different, no reason to go into it here. But the thing to understand as far as the requirements for spousal maintenance are, one, if you have been married for a period of 10 years and the amount that you're getting out of the division of the marital estate isn't enough to meet your minimum reasonable needs, then you can acquire spousal maintenance. You can also get spousal maintenance if you have a physical or mental disability that keeps you from re-entering the workforce, or if you have a child who has those mental or physical disabilities that requires such a level of care that it limits your ability to re-enter the workforce, or if you have a scenario where there has been a conviction or a finding of family violence within the previous 2 years from the date of the filing of your original petition. So if you meet those requirements, then you can get spousal maintenance.